Howdy folks. I decided I'd just take a break here and give you an update on how I'm making out with President Trump. Poor guy, he's down there in Florida probably just golfing his butt off and having a good time. Anyway, I wrote him a letter that I sent out yesterday. Well, I'm gonna send it out Tuesday because I think the post office are closed on Monday. Anyway, I posted on Facebook and it starts off saying, "Dear President Trump, I just wanted to give you an update regarding my own counterattack on the criminals in Montgomery County and their attempt to assassinate my character using the Texas justice system. They have cut off my means of communication to the enemy and attempted to portray me as a criminal trying to circumvent the justice system. I'm not a criminal. I've addressed the presiding judges of the highest courts in Texas, as well as Governor Abbott, accusing the county sheriff, district attorney, and other local government officials of conspiring to have me killed. My counterattack strategy is to first put up a wall described in the directive below." That's another piece of this epistle I'm writing. "That I filed yesterday while they're distracted by national weekend news focusing on the inauguration and Mrs. Pelosi's fumbling around with talk of impeachment. I'm glad Joe will at least have thousands of National Guardsmen around to listen to his speech. I wanted to again congratulate you for your brilliant maneuver and escape to Mar-a-Lago, where you and Rudy can mount your own counterattack. By the way, you owe me a free round of golf at one of your country clubs as thanks for coming to your defense. I won't be able to travel anywhere outside of Conroe County until Governor Abbott deals with the mess in Montgomery County. Greens and fairways to you and best of luck on your counterattack. Call or email me anytime. You have my contact information. Oh, I'm posting this entire message on the internet, so there's no need to keep it confidential. And remember, Google is your friend. I'll send you a link." So the letter that I sent to the powers that be, including Carol Harley, the clerk of the court, the Ninth Court of Appeals, Judge Nathan Hecht, who's the presiding judge over the Texas Supreme Court, Judge Sharon Keller, who's presiding over the Court of Criminal Appeals, and of course President Donald Trump. I'm going to send this to him. Anyway, it's referring to my trial court cause number 19-03-04047. That's my divorce case. And to Court of Appeals case number 09-20-00171, CV. That's the appeal that I've made to the 9th District Court of Appeals. So it starts off. This is a directive to the court regarding signature documents. Honorable Justices of the Court, Steve McKeithen, Charles Krieger, Hollis Horton, and Leanne Johnson. Whereas Appellate Winston C. Heron has made serious criminal accusations against members of the Montgomery County Judiciary and law enforcement, I find it necessary to require that all documents and notifications requiring action on the part of the appellant, me, be mailed to USPS to the address below and include the handwritten return address. I love these scripts. Signed document will also be sent as an attachment via the sender's official email to appellant, me. Any document contained therein is to be an original copy, signed in blue ink and underscored with a legible printed name. After opening by the appellant, The signature will be validated with the sender's signature shown on the oath of office document recently requested from the Secretary of State. Otherwise, the document will be placed in a sealed plastic container upon arrival or pickup and sent to the local office of the FBI for examination. I have installed security cameras around my property to provide a 24/7 record of visitors coming around or on my property. With regard to those cases currently being litigated, dismissed, or otherwise disposed in County Court Number 3, civil case, etc., 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 284th District Court case, etc., etc., and 457th District Court case, etc., etc., our appellant will pursue a change of venue to criminal court should a 9th District Court issue a ruling not acceptable to appellant. I am not a criminal. I have no criminal record in any county in the U.S. or any country in which I've worked or lived for the past 78 years. I am a victim seeking justice for the criminals who have denied me my constitutional rights as a law-abiding citizen. The law is supposed to protect tax-paying, law-abiding citizens from unscrupulous lawyers that interpret statutes to suit themselves and their clients. I had to cash in my life insurance policy to pay a lawyer's retainer for cases tried in County Court Number 3. He was a Republican who I had to fire when he failed to perform. That is why I wound up representing myself pro se in every case before 6 courts, 4 of which are in Montgomery County, 1 in Conroe County, and 1 in Camden County, Missouri. Mr. President, just a quick note to tell you that I am a registered voter in both Conroe County, Texas, and Montgomery County, Texas. I received and returned an absentee ballot to Montgomery County marked void and voted in person only in Conroe County. By doing so, I was effectively disenfranchised from voting for local candidates on the ballot in Montgomery County. A friend of mine suggested that you might want to schedule a Trump Card Open golf tournament at the same time the PGA pulled the tournament for your course. I'll buy tickets for my team. Thanks for listening. I would suggest that the feces is going to hit the fan soon.